Pikachu? Hi! Issy, you like it? No. Issy, love you too. Yeah. You like it? That is you? Okay.
Little green is all I need to remember a sunny day around the park. We picked some apples, talked to the wind, and you told me that for the first time you feel free. Though I thought you're gonna say you want to kiss with me. Could it be I've waited for too long to let you know I love you most of all the little things you've never done. Can't you see I've always been the only one? And I promise I will never let you down. Oh, little things are all I see when I try to understand how people be. Sparkling glass moment to embrace. Since the first time we met, my heart can't forget. I'm too shy to try. What if you walk away? Yeah, yeah. Could it be I waited for too long to let you know I love you most of all? Things we've never done. Can't you see you've always been the only one?